Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not new to my channel and have not liked, commented, or subscribed as of yet, then what are you waiting for? I don't know, you don't know, get to it. So in this video, I'm just going to be reviewing these, what was they called? The nail removal packets or whatever from Cosceila? I can't remember how. I ain't never figure out how to pronounce their name. But it was the big kit that I got that had a bunch of stuff in it. If you have not seen the video, please go look at it. I will have it linked in the cards. So the concept of this thing is that they already give you a pre-soaked little cloth inside of the pack, and all you really are supposed to have to do is rip it open and stick your finger in and hold it in there for the allotted amount of time, and then it should come off just like if you were soaking your finger in acetone. Now, this did not work for me. I don't know if I did it wrong. I filed down my product to basically the bare minimum without touching my natural nail plate, but it was just not coming off. And I'm pretty sure I had it on there for like 20 minutes, I'll say, and it still was not coming off. And I ended up switching to just my regular bowl with acetone and warm water and just called it a day. This was a fail in my book. It could be user error. It could just be the product itself. Not really sure, but I wouldn't try this one again. Yeah, see, I couldn't get it off to save my life, and that was after 20 minutes. It was still on there. Horrible. But everything else in the pack is definitely a hit, so I guess that'll be a trade-off. That's a trade-off that I can live with.